Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change language on Zoom meeting app. So if you use Zoom meeting app or Zoom Workplace as your primary online meeting app, you can try to change the language, but you have to update the Zoom first on Play Store. You can access Play Store or App Store, and you can try to search a Zoom application. Here we go, Zoom Workplace. Now you can tap the update. So why? Because with the update you can try Zoom will fix a minor bugs or add more features, more services that you can try to enhance your meeting. So wait the download process and installing process. During installation process, you can close the Play Store. Now, in order to change the language, you cannot change it in app with a Zoom settings. In order to change the language, you have to change all the language of your system. So, for example, you can tap settings. Now you can try to search a language. Here you can try to tap add a language. Now I already add two. My native language is English, and I already add Deutsch and Asian like Indonesia. Now you can add language again, more language from your Android phone, and try to make priority. You can try to make Indonesia at your first language, or Deutschland or Japan or anything that you want. Then the Zoom will follow it. Your Zoom Workplace will change the language according what your system use. So feel free to try to change the language of your Zoom Workplace or Zoom app. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. See you in the next video.